In this video, we will see that how we can download MongoDB in our local machine, the latest version, and with the PowerShell that we can go and just open our terminal and just connect with type in Mongosh. You can see this. And also we have download that MongoDB Compass that we can connect to our MongoDB Atlas easily, and we can see all kind of databases with the graphical interface. Alright, so to download MongoDB, first we will just go to our Chrome browser and we will search here download MongoDB. And you will get the first result, MongoDB community server download. Just click on it and just go down and you will find the version is 8.0.10 is the current version. So just click on download here. And the process is still same for Windows 10 and 11, and you will find that the download has been started there. Alright, so when the file has been downloaded, just clicking on folder and just simply install it and just click on next, accept, next, and just click on complete. And basically here you don't have to change anything, just tick mark on it and it will be by default selected. Run service as network service user. Don't need to change anything. Clicking on next. And here you will find an checkbox and it by default will be checked. So simply it will download GUI of MongoDB or graphical interface to manage our database more efficiently and fastly. So just click on it and just click on next. Install. Okay. Alright, so our installation has been completed and MongoDB Compass being installed. Just wait some time and it will be launched automatically. And here we go. Start. So just add a new connection and you will find your default MongoDB local host and just click on save and connect. And you will see that our local database is already working. We have some default database, admin, config, and local. Alright, so now let's go and just download MongoDB Shell that we can use terminal. We can use our own terminal to just query in our database. Just click on MongoDB Shell download. So here we just have to go and scroll and just click on download and it will be started downloading. It's already done and just click on it. Alright, so now we have to do extract all and we have to select an path. For that we cannot just click on extract, we have to just select explicitly the path. So click on browse and go to your local disk, program files, and you will find here MongoDB. Go to this and just select folder and just click on extract. Okay, and here just click on continue. Alright, so the extraction is already done. So now just click on the extraction folder, click on bean folder and just copy this path by just clicking on this here and just copy Ctrl C. When we have copied this, we will just simply go and just open our environment variable, edit the system environment variables, and here just click on environment variables. And in system variables, you will find path. Okay, just select just select it and just click on edit. And here you have to just add another thing that is will be new and paste the path here. And just click on OK and OK. And so now we can able to query in our database using our terminal. So if I just go and open a terminal and type here Mongosh, and you will see that our MongoDB has been connected to localhost, and we can just clicking OK, and just we can just type here show dbs, and you will find the localhost dbs is coming here. Now here you can query anything that you want. So our MongoDB shell is also working. Now I'm showing you another thing that in the MongoDB Compass, if you didn't use it, so we can use multiple MongoDB connection here. So we want to add our MongoDB Atlas that we don't have to go every single time to log in into our MongoDB. So just once you have to just connect with your MongoDB Compass, and every single time if you just click on it or the MongoDB Atlas, it will be connected. So yeah, just let's copy the MongoDB URI from the Atlas. So once you have logged into your MongoDB Atlas, you will find the connect option. Click on it and you will find this MongoDB Compass. And I have already MongoDB Compass downloaded, and you will find that this is the URI. So just copy it, go there, clicking on next, and here you have to paste it. Now you have to change your MongoDB username and MongoDB password to connect to your MongoDB Atlas. Okay, if you don't know that what is your MongoDB username and password, then you can simply go and just create one access. So just clicking on database access, I will just click on add new user. I have forgotten all of my passwords, so I'm just clicking on add. I'm just adding just a new user. Password will be auto generated. I will just copy the user name and I will just change it. I will also get the password from there and I will just change the password from there. Okay, so we don't need this. Yeah, so perfectly we have just giving our MongoDB URI, and definitely we have to just complete the creation of user. Sorry for that. We will just clicking on a build role and read any kind of like database. Create on add user. All right, so our new user has been already added. So if I just go to MongoDB and just clicking on save and connect, and you will see that connecting, and yeah, we have connected to our MongoDB Atlas, and you will see all the databases has came there. You can just see simply all the data from here, and you can see this. Now every time we will just open MongoDB Compass and just clicking on it. Or if you want to just check localhost, you can just clicking on it. You can just use multiple MongoDB databases, whatever you want, just clicking on add the URI, and just save and connect. That's the simple thing of MongoDB Compass. And this is so useful. This is a graphical interface that we can see, okay, our data has been added or not. Yeah, so that's pretty much about it. And here you'll also find that open MongoDB Shell, as we have installed it. You can also go there and just simply just done your operations. For example, show DBS, and you will find all the databases are coming there. So this is it. We have seen that how we can download MongoDB in our local machine with the Compass and Shell. I hope that this video was helpful. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.